Hey, what's up, Rico gang? Welcome to more NFT education, where I talk about some of the NFT projects that come on my radar, and I try to teach you more about NFTs by kind of, looking over these projects, right? So, shout out to my boy Wolf of NFT Street. All right, he put me on this particular project, right? And this one is called High Horse House. Now, they don't have their website up right now. However, we can still go through this and we can still kind of, go through the whole thing, and I'll show you everything about it. All right. So basically, let's look at the roadmap. All right. All right. So let's go ahead and just review their roadmap, right? Their roadmap basically talk about the Phase Zero post mint party, celebrate our sellout and mint the horse with an IRL party. News on how to attend coming soon. That will also be streamed online for high horses worldwide to enjoy. All right, and so I want to go ahead and use this as a moment to teach about strictly the roadmap. All right, so basically this is how their roadmap plays out. Our pre-sale will take place with a reduced price of 0.69 Ethereum per NFT. Phase 2, the High Horse House Open. This channel is reserved exclusively for token holders. It's a wild place for high horses to hang out, swap trading tips, and best help shape the project, all right, including future secondary token and HHH metaverse plans. So what they're saying is, hey, at a certain point, we're gonna give some of the money back into this community, sort of make a token where within this world, these tokens have value, right? So think about if Fortnite made a token within Fortnite that sort of had value. And I'm not talking about like the skins or anything like that, because that technically is an NFT. I'm just more so talking about, a currency within the game, right? Especially if you can trade that for real money, all right? So the third phase is that, boom, the HHH wallet is a community wallet to be used for reinvesting sales and fueling our global takeover. We hold Bored Ape Yacht Club, Mutant 8 Yacht Club, and Neo Tokyo NFTs plus Sandbox and decentralized plots, and we're sharing all the perks they bring with High Horse members who can make a direct impact on paths we take. So let me tell you why that's crazy to me and important. So they're kind of siphoning that utility down, which I'm interested in this project. I can't wait till their website drop, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that there as well, all right? So holder only events and parties, we see these a lot each month. The community will host amazing private events and house parties that all members can attend for free. These will go down in the metaverse and in real life, where you'll brush shoulders with influential figures at hotspots like Miami, LA, Dubai, Madrid, London, and New York. Got a sweet location? Let us know. After all, what's the point of elite virtual community? So if you're familiar with the bigger NFT collections, then like they do this all the time. So that's pretty big. Codename Giddy Up, this is the 5th phase. Our secret milestone enables holders to stake their NFTs in exchange for their token. The token will be used in the metaverse games. Look out for the upcoming horse racing thing. All right, so now you're talking about not necessarily a play to earn system, but a way to make money, and sort of bet tokens or whatever on these races or whatever. So this is the reason why I sort of picked this NFT, because bro, you can take sort of a real life concept and apply it to this, then it's easier to help people understand. So imagine if you've ever bet on horse races or anything like that, or even if you're familiar with it, then it kind of works the same way. You know what I'm saying? So horse mating season, because it says here you can breed, right? So mating season has begun, and breeding means that every 2 horses can produce 1 horse, right? So I'm just gonna talk about it in terms of money to help you understand. Let's say I buy one $5 bill and buy another $5 bill, and I can put these 2 together to make another $5. You see what I'm saying? Within this world, bro, talking about breeding, that can become some passive income and just ways to make money ever. So 3Dification, they plan to put this stuff in 3D. Metaverse time, they're definitely feel like they're going into the metaverse. Land ownership, right? You've already heard about virtual land. They're going to go ahead and put that in there. And then at the last phase, then it's the dawn of the DAO. We talked about what those are. And basically, they're going to channel 25% of the royals into the community, which is huge, right? Putting money back in the community. And basically, they're pledging to remain 100% transparent and community focused as they look to help us build new era elite empire and change the world, virtual and actual, for the better. All right, so that sounds like a good roadmap. Now let's check out their Twitter account. These is one of the ones you've got to share. Okay, so this artwork is good. Their Twitter is still small. This is an early project, right? So this is something that we definitely all need to pay attention to. I'm gonna keep y'all updated on this project. I love y'all. Let's get it.